Last night in Malta, we're going to go to our favourite restaurant, sit on our favourite deck and overlook St. Julian's and have dinner. Sarah looks beautiful.
You look gorgeous.
I supposedly look good.
Well, you dressed up.
Can't wait to kiss.
Dress shorts and a white shirt.
So yeah, we're going to go and walk the streets, get some water, get some stuff, and go. How you doing? So here we are at our favourite hotel. We have restaurant. Sorry. So here we are at our favourite restaurant. We're on the top.
On the middle.
Private balcony. All to ourselves. This is beautiful.
Ready to dine, our last dinner.
This is our last night of the honeymoon.
Yeah.
Was it a good trip?
It's been good.
I
It's
love
gone
it.
quick.
It's been real quick.
Look, the boat is leaving.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is really gorgeous up here. I think this is perfect. And we can see our kitty cat. We're going to look out for tripod. Tripod should be down there somewhere. Do you reckon tripod will be down there?
Yeah, maybe over there because this one is there.
I'm hoping so. Alright. I love you.
I love you. Are you gonna have pasta or are you gonna do? You put it on time lapse or video?
Recording.
This is amazing. We got the best spot.
We did get the best spot.
I can't decide if I'm gonna have a pasta or if I'm gonna have another main dish. I'm looking at this.
You can have that.
A lamb cup.
Sarah. How am I looking? So we're here at Pepino's, my favourite restaurant. Actually, how do we say it again? So,
Pepinos.
alright, ready? So here we are at
Pepinos.
my favourite restaurant. I absolutely love it. The thing I love about this restaurant is they're out the front poaching people to come in to get, and it's delicious. It's amazing.
And the view.
And the view is amazing, and they're so helpful and so nice. It's beautiful.
And cheerful.
And cheerful.
Making jokes.
Making
taking
jokes.
care of you. Yeah.
We just saw one of the gentlemen help carry a baby pram up to get into the restaurant. So it's absolutely joyful and amazing. What do you think?
And delicious food.
Will you come back the next time you visit Malta?
Yeah.
I'll be here every day if I could. I love it. St. Julian's, thank you. Well, we
Wrong way.
we just finished up at the restaurant. We're going in the wrong direction. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So we just finished up at the restaurant. It was amazing. It's an amazing experience in that place. Every time we go to this place,
They just
it's just
make you feel
a
great.
happy experience. It's a very good experience
You
and
feel
adventure.
spoiled.
Definitely go to it. It's amazing. Alright, so we're now walking back to the hotel after we went and got the last of our supplies for the last time. Here's the Italian street. It's awesome. So we're going to go down and try and find tripod for the last time. Because Sarah likes tripod. Don't you, Bear?
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll find him, but we found other cats. Tripod was Sarah's favourite cat. I don't know if we'll find him. He's probably very territorial. I think he's gone. He's gone to tripod heaven. Oh no. But St. Julian's is beautiful. I love it here. My favourite place in Malta. Actually, 10th favourite place, but close. Alright, Bear. I love you. Oh, it's a drone.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You would get all types.
That's true.
Sunrise is beautiful.
How long have you been here?
Nice.
I know where you are too.
Australia.
Back home.
Well, we've been into Sweden, so
So it's been like foreign people out.
Oh yeah. Prisoners. Hey Bear, where are we?
Malta Airport.
And we're going home. So here we are at the airport, going home. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Was it a good holiday?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing?
The wedding.
Yeah, getting married was the best. It's all locked, all good. See?
All locked, all good.
Last night was pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. It was a good adventure.
It was good last night. Dinner. Honeymoon's been great too.
I enjoyed it. Do you know what's been better?
Me.
You. I love you. Alright, off to Australia. See? The land down under. Hey door.
Hello.
Alright, so we just went through security, now we're on the other side. Me and Bear are looking at all the stuff and the souvenirs and everything. Where are we walking to?
That's for you.
That's for you. Where are we going? Souvenir shop?
Yeah.
Alright, and then we're going to look for more stuff to buy.
This browse is
Bear
nice.
wants little things to bear.
No, Bear wants to. Christmas.
Oh, Maltese Christmas. Oh look, they've got the doors here. How much are they here? €5. Even more expensive.
I've got the magnet.
We got our best one. Alright. Having fun, Bear?
Yep.
Alright. Hey door. Hey door.
So this one.
Alright, now we're finally on the bus. We just got through all the Maltese security thingy and now we are on the way to the plane. You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited to go home. Home time. I'm very excited.
It's gonna be good.
Pretty keen to get back on the Australian side of the world. So, yeah. Hey, hey.
Hey, dog.
See you, Malta. You were perfect.
Bye bye. Time for Germany, Singapore, and Australia.
Then Australia. Bye bye, Malta. tiny island.
Yeah. I think that's the blue portal area. Not sure.
It's either cloud or land over there.
I think it's cloud.
Bye, Malta.
Finish, eh? You want me to hold it?
Just I don't want some B-roll.
I'm seeing a reflection of my hand in there.
Take it just stop recording.
Pretty
Hill
good.
up there you can sit on it.
Huh?
There was a hill back there that you
Yeah.
could sit and watch.
Germany, here we are.
Germany. There we go. Alright, so we just arrived in Germany. We're now looking for our terminal H24.
Is where we're going.
That's where we're
to.
going. It says there's 21 minutes, so we got to get there.
We have 2 hours to get
We
there.
have 2
actually.
hours, but I'm
It should be fine.
starving. And we got to go to a kiosk desk to get our
Oh, there was another one.
passports. And whoa! Someone just stands right at the end of the air travelator.
Yeah,
You come
not
off,
the
it's
best
been yeah,
place to stand.
just chilling, just like nothing. So get the plannies, get the tickets, get some food, and then
There's a
Head off.
Lufthansa service center coming up.
is that?
Yeah.
Oh, yo. All right. This place is funky. Hey, look, VR stuff. You want to play VR? Some seriously cool stuff.
Yeah, it's a good.
Mum couldn't get in. The doorbell was locked.
Huh?
The door was locked.
Oh. The bottom door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She rang the doorbell. Nothing happened.
No.
That
she
lady
was
will never be
probably
there.
at home.
So there's no point. All right. Food. Hey, door.
Yeah, because she doesn't do that.
Well, we just had lunch in Germany.
Yeah.
We're
And
now
now we're on
the
a train to.
little monorail.
It's funny because it goes in the same terminal.
H25, wasn't it?
24.
24. Well, it's right next to each other, so one of us could be wrong and still be fine.
You're wrong.
So what do we have for lunch?
I had pork with crackling on, and you had a schnitzel.
Schnitzel is really good.
Some
Really good
potato veggies. It's good.
Good. So now we're going to run to the gate. Boarding can start in like 20 minutes, so we'll get there, hopefully.
Oh, it's over an hour until the flight leaves, but yeah, boarding is usually
And
earlier.
I'm coming for you, Wolfie. Alright, hey door.
Bitte aussteigen. Dieser Zug endet hier. Bitte lassen Sie keine persönlichen Gegenstände zurück. Train stops here. Please exit the next train.
Behind you.
Exit the next train.
That was cute. You're like, what do I do?
I do.
It's like the Swedish one, you put your hand in front of it.
Because there was an exit there too.
Yeah, it's on both sides. Weird. Alright, how you doing?
Hey door.
Alright, so we just went through security. I went through one of the ticket carding machines. It went super quick. Like, just put my card in, beep, done, walked away. I was like, okay. Normally I'm always stopped at every border and they're like, you must not shall pass. Let's get a muffin. I want a muffin. You want a muffin? Okay. I want a muffin. Muffin.